Right, I'm about to start this mission called Striking the Anvil for Assassin's Creed Origins on the Xbox One. It's only a side quest, however, you need to do them to get your levels up on this Assassin's Creed Origins to do some missions. So I'm about to start this one, and I'll show you on the map where it is. It's there on the map, both of them, and there we go. That's where it is. So I need to be off my camel. And now I need to crouch. So that's in here. Leaves that. And there's my camel. So it's got to go back to this blacksmith. And wait, my camel doesn't let it run away.
How did it go?
And there.
Here are your tools.
There's that
Don't
done.
ever come back here. At last, I can reopen my shop.
If you like my videos, subscribe and comment please.
Found these weapons.
All the more comments and views I get, better.
Choose one for yourself. Choose one, and all of it back. The shield is made of bronze and leather. Good protection. It's a weapon spots right on. It's not large, but that makes it practice none of the best of them. That spear, sharp and long. still hurt your enemies. That bow uses a special point. It does not strike deep, but you can shoot it very quickly.
Thank you, friend.
Come by my shop anytime, buyer.
And there's that mission complete. Thank you for watching. This is Ginger Gamer. Bye.